Is JobHire.ai really the revolutionary AI-powered job search assistant it claims to be, or is it just another platform that overpromises and underdelivers? JobHire.ai advertises itself as a comprehensive tool that customizes your resume, generates tailored cover letters, and even applies to jobs on your behalf, all driven by artificial intelligence. They boldly guarantee you'll secure interviews within 15 days or get your money back, which sounds incredibly appealing for anyone struggling to break through the noise of the job market. The platform certainly offers a streamlined process. The AI does generate resumes and cover letters quickly, and automates job applications, which can save valuable time. However, when you dig a little deeper, the experience isn't flawless. Many users report mixed results. Some have landed interviews and found value in the automation, while others mention that the job matches often feel generic or irrelevant, and the outreach isn't as personalized as one might hope. There are also red flags worth noting, such as testimonials that appear overly polished and somewhat scripted, making it hard to trust their authenticity, alongside a low Trustpilot rating that suggests a significant number of unsatisfied customers. Additionally, the platform comes with a price that might not be justified by the actual outcomes, especially if you're hoping for a guaranteed fast track to interviews. While JobHire.ai could serve as a useful supplement for those wanting to reduce the repetitive tasks of job searching, it doesn't replace the need for active personal involvement and strategy. In short, it's neither a complete scan nor a miracle solution, more of a tool that might help some users but won't automatically unlock your dream job. So careful consideration is essential before investing your money.